want to hit Daddy in the head with your ball? Is that fun? Alright, Lexi's turn. Throw it at Daddy's head. Okay. You ready? Okay, throw it at Daddy's head. Oh! You want to throw it at Daddy's head? Whatever you do, don't throw this at Daddy's head. Whatever you do, don't. You threw it at my head! Okay, this time, don't throw it on Daddy's head. I'm not going to throw it on your head. Okay, don't throw it at Daddy's head. Don't. What did you do that for? Ready to catch? Catch. You want the ducky? Go right there. Throw it at Daddy. Ow! Oh, you put it in my eye, Lexi! The ball's stuck in my eye! What happened? I can't get it out, it's stuck! You threw it in my eye!
Get it, Lexi.
Okay. You want to throw it back in Daddy's eye again? Throw it at Daddy's head. Open my mouth! Here. Grab it. Throw it. Ow! Where did Blanky go? Good sentence. Catch, Blanky! I got it! Watch the Blanky catch. Throw it at Lexi. Falling Blankies. Ow! Ow! Okay, you ready? Put your feet out like this. I'm gonna roll the ball to you. Roll.